Come on along. Say, Mike, what are you doing? Well, I'm in the Michigan L30 and I'm putting some hot laps on her, man. I get up to 60 pounds of oil pressure, but I can only get her up to 168 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm doing the old braking trick, here, there, up and down, a little bit faster, slower. I put the blade down, scraped a bunch of snow off the frozen tundra, and just putting some hours on this, trying to get her to go, braking high, low, idle, up, down, a little bit of torque. You know the drill if you ever built an engine. So I'm just playing. I'm playing outside in cold weather. Actually, I got a question for you guys. Does the wind that hits people in Florida, is that the same wind that hits us up in Wisconsin? It's like 38 degrees right now. I'm just roasted in this little cab. I just was curious if you guys know. But anyways, I'm just kind of said high load, low load, a little bit of idle time, a little bit of. We don't want to put her at the same RPM all the time. So that's what I'm up to today. I got her all put back together. You just saw that in the earlier part of the video. And it's playtime. The only one thing I got to have Troy check, or we're going to check. Okay, here's my idle RPM, idle oil pressure. Okay, so my light, this is for transmission pressure. Up until I just did 6 laps, hot laps around the building, it was staying on. Now it seems to be going away. And that's changing. That's dropping a little bit. At idle, it was staying around 30, 35. About half throttle. So we got 51 pounds of oil pressure. And 30 on the low side, 29. Gallop with the herd, the old engine saying. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy. Transmission temperature, I kept that one in there. Hour meter, I got about a half hour on it since I brought it out. Water temperature just will not come up. And it could be because it's 30 degrees out. So I'll be back in the shop here shortly and checking for leaks and all that other good stuff. That's what I'm doing, breaking in the engine. Let's go for a hot lap, shall we? Go! WFO. Oh, we're doing it, shitty. Yeah, we're gonna put the little Parker Jr. on that, test that pressure on that transmission pump. Make sure, because I might have just fixed the bulb and made the bulb work after all these years that it didn't. So, we'll see. We'll see if that transmission is, I think it's supposed to be at 180 to 250 psi at full throttle. Alright, enough of that stuff. I'm going to pull her in the shop and check for leaks. So that's it for this video. She's complete. If I find anything else, we'll make some more videos. Hasta luego, man.